Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary, and today is day 3 of me being in St. Thomas. So I'm still here trying to upload this video from yesterday. I don't know what's happening. It's just at 87% or something like of the sort, I believe. Like, what the hell? It's still there, like 87%, and it is like 11 o'clock. And then these people are trying to tell me that their Wi-Fi isn't slow, like it's my computer's fault or whatever. I guess the size of the video is big because it's like an hour and a half video. No, not an hour and a half, sorry. It is like almost 30 minutes. It's almost a 30 minutes video, so I can understand with that. So you know that's going to be a bigger gigabyte. But Jano Star, like, it's been uploading since 5 o'clock yesterday, as I said before. I know it's like 11 o'clock the next day, and it still don't reach it. Well, it reached 57%, and it's 2 more hours remaining for it to finish. So let's see what's happening here. If that's going to be the case, I might just, if this is going to be the case for all of them, I might just edit them, and then when I go to Kingston I place them up. Simple as that, because I don't know what else to do, because it would be easier to upload them in Kingston because our internet is faster. So yeah, I woke up like long before this, but I was still laying down, had breakfast already and all of that. So I basically just say, you know what, I'm gonna take up my camera because why not? I need to vlog every day. I need to get some content out for y'all, and that's what I'm trying to do with this video, but I guess it not work. So today's plan is, hopefully I'm gonna stay in the day, and then we my cousin's friend mother has this dance party, whatever you want to call it, happening, but it is in Yalas. That's like half an hour drive from here where we are at, and we don't have no drive. Like, well, I don't have no drive. I don't know about them because I don't really know anybody in St. Thomas enough to say call upon somebody and say camera go there. So I don't have no drive, but my cousins are trying to get a drive to go there. So if that happens, we have that part of the day covered, well, part of the night covered. And what else? There's something else. Oh, mommy and I are supposed to go to Morant Bay later, to the park, to chill and talk and catch up, because we haven't done that in a long while. So we're just gonna sit down and talk about anything. I don't know if I'll be vlogging. I might vlog the part, but we won't be vlogging any of our conversation, I think. But yeah, that's all. That's what I have planned for the day. And I want to make a makeup video with my cousin. I made one with Garcian that I need to edit. Garcian is my friend. She has not made, you guys haven't seen her on my vlog channel as yet, because she was supposed to come here yesterday in the evening, but she didn't come. She did just come and do her makeup basically, and then she had to leave because she had somewhere going. I'm trying to go look for my best friend as well, Rhodia, but I don't know, because I texted her asking her where she's at and she didn't reply. So that's basically the plan for today. Tomorrow will be more active. I think I want to let my cousin try the spicy noodle challenge today as well, so we might do that. But Cheyenne gone Morant Bay, as I told you guys yesterday that Cheyenne would be going back to Morant Bay because she never get through with going to the bank because of the long line that was there, and the workers were like on go slow, so she never did get through. Plus she did forget something, so she did have to just leave without getting through. So she going back today. I don't know what time but hopefully she coming back before 2, because bank closes at 2, so she has to come out before. No, bank closes at 2:15 or something like that. but she has to reach by then, so we still can do the spicy noodle challenge with them. I'm going to do it on my vlog channel because I don't think we need to do a main video for that, so maybe just make them try it on here, and then that's that for today. If no one else come up, it just come up, whatever. I'm not sure if I did show on a Junior, because I'm not sure if that did show up, but Junior there now until him go Kingston. Maybe go over next door for a bit because Bethany is supposed to be washing now, and Junior is supposed to over there make nice. That's why most time I don't vlog when I'm here, because them play music a lot. Well, they play music a lot and they know the copyright thing go, so basically can't vlog anything because we have conversations and I just have fun, but most of them can't be videoed because you have copyright music in the back, you know, and then YouTube are gonna be like, bitch, you're playing music. They're doing that in big mood. And the next thing is I need to be upping my water game, because my water intake since I've been here has been low, so I need to do that too. But I'm just gonna check in with y'all, see what this I gonna do with this internet thing. If it something that in within the 2 hours that it say we have left, I definitely gonna upload it onto YouTube, because I haven't put out any videos for this week, so it makes sense me just do that. So I guess I'll be doing that. And then oh, I was watching Glamazante's vlog where she's in India. And I'm sure maybe you guys have not seen her, but I like watching Glamazante. Like, she dope and whatever. So she and what's her name, Yanni Rose, is in India for some, I guess Yanni wants to buy hair and she's going for clothing items. So she has a clothing store, but she is located in the LA region. So yeah, that's what I'm watching now. I'm watching Yanni Rose, and then afterwards, after I finish watching this YouTube video, I'm just gonna go over next door to my cousin them and just chill. And just carry my one water bottle with me everywhere so that I drink water throughout the day, because I need to drink water every day. So I'll check back in with you guys when I'm done doing this and I'm going next door. Alright, so I'm just finished watching Ramazante's vlog on India. I'm better than actually done wash already, because I close them out. No, she's not done. She just stopped ish. Look what's with them open. The sun is coming out, like it's so sunny here. Much better. That gonna pin out close enough. Right over here. Like it doesn't sing too much. No, you say you're demon. Demon to yourself sing.
It's a monga. Another salmon.
What is that here done for now? What chair? Sharon, come? Come here, like someone like her.
What she doing?
Maybe. No. I read that stuff. You like apple I got bless cutting up on a tree here this year. Look at hat. Look like some bleachers in a socks and tights. We just need a long marina. Long shirt. And the hat. And the rain has even fall today. After everything said rain has fall. But you did come out and say out of the black up? Out of the black up bad. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to Mark Bay with my mommy and Cheyenne.
Oh, look how me come here back and something.
Yeah, I think me not put something. Right, so we're going to Mark Bay. Cheyenne I go party and me and mommy I go out.
Yeah. We're going to the park to sit and chat.
Yes.
And get to rebond.
As she said. So we did that. Bethany was supposed to be going to party with Cheyenne. And I was supposed to be going to party with Cheyenne as well. But
hey, one next time we can go.
We were supposed to go later. But she go earlier. So we're not go. I won't be going at the Cheyenne and not go.
Hi.
Oh no, but the kidnapper, so we are sending our vehicle early. Right? Mr. Tia put up big wall though.
Yes, and big gate. But then can't trick me. I know the pussy for the high school gate.
That is.
Look on the gate. Then can't trick me.
You're gonna be about that.
Me not leave it out. See the gate there. True for true. It look like it for true because the bottom part, mommy.
And I said,
yeah.
On the gate. All the thing then well it back. I want to look all the day for that fit true. Can't trick me.
But him well him well or woodworking though.
Yeah. And the all of them.
So anything is possible.
It's our opinion again.
Yep.
Because whenever you see anything.
Mommy, I try to clear myself.
So you can get sued.
Me can't get sued because I never miss.
To the wrong conclusion.
It's an opinion. We never say it's a fact. It's facts. That's what we think.
She said killer dead.
She said, yeah, killer dead means a fear fact. And nobody else won.
Her opinion that she'll die for.
Exactly. She has her opinion. She holds strong on her opinion. So. The next dude was little one time. No, everybody just get big.
Well, I reach a bit, I just want to jump in a taxi. I look too bad.
But I just jump in a taxi. It was a look which taxi I jump into.
I just see the media look decent she's standing.
Boy, you just got to jump in a taxi.
No, that me ask about a taxi when I know.
Yeah. Yeah, just jump. You said you're going to jump in a taxi.
You don't know that they're kidnapping people.
Exactly.
And
I mean, have no credit, you know.
Please call me. Don't work. People don't really don't take please call me these days because.
If must buy one credit when I'm going to roll out.
But they do that.
You got to travel these days without credit.
I don't have none on my phone. And we tell Cheyenne if we travel with.
No, but she's going wherever.
We tell Cheyenne if we travel with no credit and then we are go both with no credit. She travel alone still. We're traveling together. And she travel alone, so she have credit though.
Yes.
Although credit not help you these days. If better than nobody call better than my phone, but you call for my phone.
Me all mood that dead.
Better than never have my phone and yet. And better than we ignore call.
They can even reach it to me.
By far.
If I have to call somebody on my store. If I read 2 times or 3 times, they might pick up on the 4th or the 3rd.
But then I pick up. But then I say, oh, my phone's around there, so no one can on our part. And should have called me, you know? Should have called me.
I'm sorry. And that's my fault.
It smells so nice food. You know, really that nice.
You know, so.
No, when I come up now, you can't smell that nice. I have to beat that outside. But I don't care, I don't know what food, and then I know what food, and then I know when. I now go up the same day, so. I don't know where the taxi stuff for. Oh, that woman here. No. We don't need anything in the supermarket. I'm hungry though, you know. What we're gonna eat. No, they might be for eating like that. As in, what they might be we can buy. Otherwise, from probably one patty. There's nothing else.
I don't eat those very often.
No. It's not here now.
Maybe I smell it.
Oh my god, I smell it too. Nothing's going before I lick me down. I can't take a lick down. So I'm reach out the road now. Wait for Shane to get one phone card and then we live, I guess. Ronaldo. I'm hungry. I don't know. How you know sometimes you must know what they have here. Right?
I don't know.
You should know though.
I just junk food.
Exactly, so we're gonna eat junk food. What you waiting on? You're going in the supermarket? No. We eat some banana chips then. That so fast for now. Alright guys, so I'm back from Morant Bay. It was a bit dark, that's why I didn't vlog the park, because down at the park was very dark. So yeah, we reached late. We went late. We reached late. Yeah. So we just end up not. Plus we did have some things to discuss where we never want on the video anyways, so it's whatever. So see you guys tomorrow in the next video.